In this video, I will show you how to install Gmail on Windows 11. To get started, what you need to do is make sure you've got Google Chrome. So you do need to use the Google Chrome browser to do this. And what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser window. Once you've done that, come over to gmail.com. And once you've come across to your Gmail, you first of all want to make sure that you're logged into your Google account. After doing this, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots to open this menu. Now in this menu, you want to come down to the cast, save and share option, and on the submenu that comes up, you're going to see an option to install this page as an app. So give that a click. What that's going to do is open a window at the top where you can give the app a name. So I'm going to leave it set to Gmail and then click on to install. What that's going to do is install the app as its own individual app on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So if I come back to my desktop, you can see we've got the desktop shortcut here. And when I double click this, it's going to open up Gmail automatically. So that is how to install Gmail on Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Gmail and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.